Hello friends, welcome to this new video. In this video we discuss on Toyota Fortuner Legendre, an attractive SUV with powerful performance and stylish design. The Toyota Fortuner Legendre is a premium version of the popular Fortuner, offering a bold design, advanced technology, and an improved driving experience. With its powerful engine, luxurious interiors, and enhanced safety features, this SUV is designed to impress. Let's explore its key features in detail. Engine and performance. The Toyota Fortuner Legendre is powered by a 2.8-liter, four-cylinder turbodiesel engine that delivers 204 PS of power and 500 Nm of torque when paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This powerful engine ensures excellent performance, whether driving in the city or off-road. The variable nozzle turbo (VNT) technology enhances efficiency, while the four-wheel drive, or WD, system provides superior traction on rough terrains. Design and looks. The Fortuner Legendre stands out with its aggressive front grille, split quad LED headlamps, and sharp DRLs, giving it a sporty and premium appeal. The sleek front bumper, dual-tone alloy wheels, and a sculpted body further enhance its stylish presence. The floating roof design and chrome accents add a touch of elegance, making it one of the most attractive SUVs in its segment. Technology and safety features. Toyota has equipped the Fortuner Legendre with advanced technology and safety features, including infotainment system and 9-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Connected car features, remote vehicle tracking, geofencing, and live diagnostics. Safety features. 7 airbags for maximum protection. Vehicle stability control, VSC, or improved handling to ensure better braking performance. Toyota Safety Sense with adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and pre-collision system. Interior features. The Fortuner Legendre offers a premium cabin with high-quality materials and advanced features. Leather upholstery, dual-tone leather seats with contrast stitching. Ventilated front seats provides extra comfort for long drives. Premium dashboard, soft touch materials with a modern layout. Wireless charging, convenient for charging smartphones. Ambient lighting enhances the cabin's luxurious feel. Large boot space, ample storage capacity for long trips. Mileage and fuel tank. The Toyota Fortuner Legendre offers a fuel efficiency of around 10 to 12 km/L in city driving and 12 to 14 km/L on highways. It comes with an 80-liter fuel tank, ensuring a long driving range without frequent refueling. Variants and prices. The Fortuner Legendre is available in 2 variants. 4x2 automatic diesel, more suited for urban driving. 4x4 automatic diesel, ideal for off-road and adventure enthusiasts. Price range, 42 to 46 Indian rupees lakhs, ex-showroom India. Prices may vary depending on the city and optional features. Available colors. Toyota offers the Fortuner Legendre in multiple elegant shades. Pearl white with black roof. Sparkling black crystal shine. Attitude black. Conclusion. The Toyota Fortuner Legendre is a perfect blend of power, luxury, and technology. With its muscular design, premium features, and robust engine, it caters to SUV lovers looking for performance and style. While it comes at a premium price, the high resale value, Toyota's reliability, and strong road presence make it a worthy investment. Would you like any modifications or additional details? Then comment me. Thanks for watching.